I've been testing out the DOESLAG Solar Fence Lights, and here's what I've found. They have some great features, but also a few downsides. First off, the design is really nice. These lights have Edison-style LED bulbs, which give off a warm decorative glow. They're not super bright, but they add a nice touch to a fence, patio, deck, or garden. If you're looking for something to light up a pathway, this might not be enough, but for ambience, they look great. Setup was easy. They come with mounting hardware and templates, so installation was straightforward. I attached them to my fence without any issues. The solar panels work well, but I did notice they need a full day of sunlight to stay on for hours at night. On cloudy days or in the winter, they don't last as long. Now, here are some things to watch out for. The glass feels a bit fragile, so you have to be careful when installing them. Also, while the magnets hold the bulbs in place, they can shift slightly if bumped. Another thing is the on-off switch placement. It's not the most convenient once they're mounted. Even after some rain, they worked fine with no issues, which is exactly what you'd expect from outdoor fence lights. And since they're solar powered, there's no wiring needed, which is a big plus if you don't want to deal with running cables. Overall, these are a good option if you want decorative lighting that's easy to install and solar powered. Just keep in mind they're more for looks than function. They won't replace a bright floodlight. If that's what you're looking for, these are a solid pick. Would you add these to your outdoor setup? Let me know in the comments. And if this review helped, hit like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.